Welcome to the wall panel world of CN Wall. This is our bamboo charcoal wall panel installation guide. Bamboo charcoal wall panels can be used in offices, hotels, your lovely home, shops, schools, hospitals, anywhere you want to. Before installing wall panels, the wall surface must be leveled, bumps removed, potholes filled, and floating dust removed. Please use a laser level to assist in the measurement process. Please choose a special structural adhesive for wall panels. The installation of the first wall panel is critical. Its correct position determines the effect of the entire wall. We can adopt 3 splicing reinforcement methods: buckle, splicing slots on the side, and metal-lined decorative splicing. Don't forget to leave holes for electrical sockets. A variety of metal lines are suitable for different shapes. It can be grooved and bent to create a curved shape. Make V-shaped grooves to cover the external corners. Now you know the basics of the installation of wall panels. Welcome to contact us to learn more.